शोभा बोल दुरून शाभाया आम्ही जिजाऊच्या मुली आम्ही जिजाऊच्या मुली मीराबाई सती कट बोल जपून रे बाबा बोल जपून रे बाबा मग जाईल तू उन्हाळा पावसाळा स्वराज्याचा गारवा जिजाऊच्या जीवावर नाही कोणाची परवा जिजाऊच्या जीवावर नाही कोणाची परवा आम्ही जिजाऊच्या मुली आम्ही जिजाऊच्या मुली जशा तलवारीच्या भाया आम्ही जिजाऊच्या मुली जशा तलवारीच्या भाया नाही घेणार बगदादा थोडा पर्यंतचा वारा उन्हाळा पावसाळा स्वराज्याचा गारवा जिजाऊच्या जीवावर नाही कोणाची परवा जिजाऊच्या जीवावर नाही कोणाची परवा जिजाऊच्या जीवावर नाही कोणाची परवा जिजाऊच्या कार्याला पहिली माझी ओवी जिजाऊच्या कार्याला शिवबाला घडविले स्वराज्य स्थापायाला शिवबाला घडविले स्वराज्य स्थापायाला दुसरी ओवी तिच्या घरीराला सामर्थ्याला दुसरी ओवी तिच्या घरीराला सामर्थ्याला नाही डग मगली कधी एकटे रामायाला नाही डग मगली कधी एकटे रामायाला तिसरी ओवी तिच्या नेतृत्व गुणाला तिसरी ओवी तिच्या नेतृत्व गुणाला हाती घेऊन कारभार आनंदले जनाला हाती घेऊन कारभार आनंदले जनाला सवती ओवी गाते मी दिशा दूरदृष्टीला सवती ओवी गाते मी दिशा दूरदृष्टीला शिवबाला देऊन धडे इतिहास घडविला शिवबाला देऊन धडे इतिहास घडविला. थँक्यू.
ऐतिहासिक स्थळ नाही तर एक पर्यटक स्थळ म्हणून ते ओळखलं जातं. जिजाऊ माँसाहेबांचा जन्म भुईकोट राजवाड्यामध्ये 12 जानेवारी 1598 साली झाला. मग आपल्याला असा प्रश्न पडतो की त्या एवढ्या कणखर कशा झाल्या असतील, त्यांनी शिवरायांना कसं घडवलं. तर त्यांच्या मनामध्ये किंवा लहानपणापासूनच त्यांच्यावर जे संस्कार झाले आणि त्या संस्कारातून त्या तशा घडत गेल्या. त्यांच्याबद्दल एक थोडंसं एक गोष्टी मी सांगणार आहे की त्यांचं व्यक्तिमत्व हे एवढं कणखर का झालं. तर त्यांच्या मनामध्ये अशी हिंदवी स्वराज्याची संकल्पना, प्रत्यक्षात त्यांना हिंदवी स्वराज्य हवे होतं. मग ते हिंदवी स्वराज्य साकारण्यासाठी त्यांना खूप तपश्चर्या करावी लागली आणि त्यासाठी ते तपश्चर्या करत असताना शिवरायांना त्यांनी जन्माला घातलं आणि त्यांना तसं घडवलं. तर त्यांचं ते एक स्वप्न होतं की आपलं हिंदवी स्वराज्य स्थापन व्हावं. छत्रपती शिवरायांना त्यासाठी त्यांनी ज्ञान, चारित्र्य, चातुर्य, संघटन, पराक्रम अशा राजस आणि सत्व गुणांचं बाळ करून त्यांनी शिवाजी महाराजांना दिलं. हिंदवी स्वराज्याच्या आड येणाऱ्यांना, भेकडांनी लढण्याचे धैर्य देणाऱ्यांना, तसंच शहाजी पुत्र.
Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Fatima Rashid Godme. Today I am here to speak few words about Rajmata Jizau. Rajmata Jizau was Rajmata Jizau was the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of Maratha Empire. Rajmata Jizabai is also known as Rajmata Jizau. Rajmata Jizabai's father name was Lakhu Jadhav and mother's name was Mahalasa Bai. Rajmata Jizabai was married at a very young age to Sahaji Bhosle.
I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am here to speak few words about Jizamata. Jizabai was the great warrior of the world. She was the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of Maratha Empire. Jizabai is also known as Rajmata and Jizau. She was born on 12 January in Maharashtra. She was married at a very young age to Sahaji Bhosle. Her entire life was full of courage and sacrifice. Unfortunately, Jizabai died on 17 June 1674 at the age of 76.
My name is Sarthak Desai. We are studying class 6. Today I am going to speak about Rajmata Jizau. Rajmata Jizau was the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of Maratha Empire. She was born on 12 January 1598 at Sindkhed in Maharashtra. She was married to Sahaji Bhosle at early age. She was brave and intelligent woman. She devoted to raising Shivaji to become a powerful king. Rajmata Jizau's father name was Lakhuji Rao Jadhav and mother name was Mahalasa. Rajmata Jizabai is remembered as a great mother and a role for every mother. जिने घडविले धन्य ती माई तीच आहे शिवबाची आई. थँक्यू. Studying in 7th standard. Today I am going to speak few words about Rajmata Jizabai. Rajmata Jizabai was the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. She is also known as Jizau. Her father name was Lakhuji Rao Jadhav and mother name was Mahalasa Bai Jadhav. She born on 12 January 1598 at Sindkhed in Maharashtra. She was married to Sahaji Bhosle at an early age. She was a great warrior, brave and intelligent woman. She made Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj a great warrior of India. She died on 17 July 1674. She played a great role to the today's women. Thank you.
Shivamitra from class 9. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of Hindvi Swaraj visionary Rajmata Jizau, also known as Masaheb. Rajmata Jizau was born on 12th January 1598 to Lakhuji Rao Jadhav and Mahalasa Bai. Rajmata Jizau's father was Yadava, a traditional ruler of Devgiri, making Jizabai a princess of Devgiri. At the age of 12, Ma Jizau was married to Sahaji Bhosle, father of legendary Maratha warrior Shivaji Maharaj. Jizabai was known for her virtue, valor and values trait that she passed down to her illustrious son. Ma Jizau championed the Shivaji Maharaj to unite the feuding Maratha factions to establish the Hindvi Swaraj. Ma Jizau had multifaceted qualities like faith, determination, patience, sense of respect towards dharma, patience, selflessness, leadership, courage, and sacrificing attitude, as well as desire for a victory. Thank you.
Present here. My name is Sundar Chandra. I am from standard 9. Today I am standing
celebrate the extraordinary life of Rajmata Jijabai, the legendary mother of Shivaji Maharaj. She was not just a queen, she was a warrior, a strategist, and a pillar of strength. She was born into a noble family. She was fiercely independent and well educated. She installed these all values in her son Shivaji Maharaj and shaped him into the leadership. So, in the turbulent times of Mughal Empire, Jijau's courage and resilience shone through. Jijau had faced many adversities with calm mind and unwavering faith. She taught Shivaji the importance of justice, compassion, and respect for other religions. From her wisdom, the Maratha Empire blossomed into a beacon of hope. More than just a military strategist, Jijau understands the importance of diplomacy and negotiation. Beyond politics, Jijau was a devoted mother who narrated Shivaji's spiritual growth. She helped Shivaji for the duty of honor and selfless service. She empowered with the strength and her knowledge and leadership. So let us draw the message from Rajmata Jijau that her bravery, wisdom and compassion will continue to guide us in every walk of life. I would like to say one quote of Rajmata Jijau. Greatness doesn't require a crown. It lies in the unwavering principles of faith, development, determination, and heart full of love. Jai Jijau, Jai Shivrai. Thank you.
This is Guru Vinod Singh studying standard 9. Today I am here to give a short speech on Jijabai. Jijabai was a great woman. She was born at Lakhuji Dadhavrao and an eminent Maratha Sardar at Mahasabai on 12 January 1598 in Simkhet town of Maharashtra. Jijabai was married at a very young age to Shahaji Bhosle, son of Mahoji Shilidar. Jijabai was the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, who was the legendary Maratha king. She was a very brave and smart woman. Jijabai has a vision for the independent kingdom. She was inspired Shivaji by telling him stories, brave stories. She was an ideal mother and her contribution to the Maratha Empire is enormous. Thank you.
Of you present over here, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. This is Saulia Makanso Munshi from class 9. Today I am standing before you to tell you about Rajmata Jijau. Rajmata Jijau was born to Lakhuji Dadhavrao, an eminent Maratha Sardar, and Malasabai on 12 January 1598 in the Sindhkhet town of Maharashtra. Rajmata Jijabai was married at a very young age to Shahaji Bhosle, son of Mahoji Shilidar. Rajmata Jijabai was the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who was the legendary Maratha king. Jijabai was a freedom-loving person with great sense of pride. Jijabai prayed to the God for son he would establish the rules of his own people, Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj took the oath of the Swaraj that Jijabai dream was fulfilled. When Shivaji Maharaj coronation took place in 1674, the dream she had nursed even before Shivaji Maharaj's birth had at last came true. After the coronation of 17 June 1674, Malasabai passed away. Thank you.
Delivering a speech on Rajmata Jijau. Rajmata Jijau is the mother of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who is a remarkable woman who plays the important role to shape the history of the India. She born on 12 January 1589. 1598. Jijabai was not just mother, she was the mentor, strategy, and the previous advocate for her son's causes. She instills the Shivaji the values of the courage and the passion of the justice. Also, Jijabai influence is extended by her immediate and the families. She inspired the countless and others to fight for her. She inspired to uphold and the culture heritage. Her legacy is continues to inspire the generation of the strive on adjust the equality of society. Thank you.
On the occasion of the Rajmata Jizavu, the birth anniversary of the Rajmata Jizavu. Jizavu Mata was not only the mother of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, but also a great warrior, and leader and patriot. She played a crucial role in making Shivaji Maharaj a great ruler. Her stories of bravery and intelligence are very skill impressive. Today's youth needs to take inspiration from the life of Jizavu Mata. Thank you.
From Standard 9. Today I am going to deliver a speech on birth anniversary of Rajmata Jizavu. A tribute to Mata Jizavu, the lioness of Maharashtra, born on 12th January 1598. Today we gathered to celebrate the birth anniversary of Mata Jizavu. Mata Jizavu was a great warrior and the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. She instilled the qualities of patriotism, courage and justice in Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. She encouraged him to read the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Jizavu was not just a mother but a mentor, a warrior and a visionary who played a pivotal role in shaping the destiny of India. Mata Jizavu was born into a family of warriors and imbibed the spirit of courage and valor from a young age. Her father's name was Lakhuji Jadhav. She was married to Shahaji Raje Bhosle at a young age. She was known for her sharpness, promoting social equality, justice, strategies for using in wars. She shaped Shivaji Maharaj and laid the foundation for the establishment of Hindavi Swaraj. Thank you.
Last night, today I am here to give a speech on the occasion of Rajmata Jizavu Jayanti. Rajmata Jizavu, the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and a great woman, who made her mark in history. It was under her leadership and guidance Shivaji Maharaj established the Hindu Vaishali. Jizavu Mata was not just a mother, but a great warrior, a politician, and an inspiring person. She instilled in Shivaji the qualities of courage, patriotism, and justice. Under the guidance of Shiva, under her guidance, Shivaji became a great ruler. Jizavu Mata's life is a perfect symbol of women's power. She achieved this even in the occasion of her birth anniversary. Let us give her a congratulate and resolve to follow her ideas. Jizavu Mata's life inspires us. From her life, we can learn how we can serve our country and how we can realize our dreams. Jai Jizavu, Jai Shivaji. Thank you.
आपल्या
एकच सजा आहे, त्यांचे हात पाय कलम करून आणि त्यांचे मस्तक धडावेगळे केले जाईल. तुम्ही आम्हाला ओळखलेच असाल, त्याच आम्ही ज्यांनी हिंदुस्थानावर भगवा फडकवणारा शिवबाईंना जन्म दिला, त्याच आम्ही ज्यांनी स्वराज्याचे स्वप्न पाहिले, हो हो त्याच आम्ही राजमाता राष्ट्रमाता जिजाबाई. मी नसते तर नसते लढले मावळे, मी नसते तर नसते लढले मावळे, मी नसते तर नसते दिसले विजयाचे सोहळे, मी नसते तर नसते दिसले